What's up guys, it's me. Obviously it is a school night and I have to work out at 8 in the morning tomorrow. So I'm going to try to get this done as fast as possible. It is going to be kind of all over the place probably, and the lighting is crap. Obviously by the title we all know what I'm doing. I do this at least 4 times a year, maybe 5, 10, depending on how the year is going. And right now I need to change, and there isn't many ways to change my room because of my TV. But I came up with a way. I got LED lights. Judge me, I don't care. But the problem is, can you tell by how small the box is a very small amount. And I'm scared that I'm gonna have to order more because these are expensive. So yeah, I just hope that they fit at least around this way. If it doesn't go around that, like this wall over here, I'm not that worried about it. But yeah, first thing we're gonna do is take down all my lights. No, the first thing we're gonna do is put socks on because y'all are creepy. Not you, like all of you, but like there's some people who just like to point out my toes. Makes me kind of uncomfortable. We're gonna be listening to a lot of Girl in Red. Love her. I should probably unplug them. So I just realized I should probably check if these work before I invest in all of this time. Oh, I need perhaps. Oh. Okay. We're good. We're good to go. One string of lights down. That was the hardest one, I think. Okay, this is our new vacuum. It is a Dyson. Works very well. If I see a spider, I'm suing. I'm so hot. Yeah. Oh, I needed to take that out. Okay, so I'm done with my bed. So now I'm going to move that thing over there. Right there.
Fuck. Yeah, I've been feeling so down. Yeah, can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down? Yeah, no friends of mine around.
In case you guys are wondering, these are the lights I'm using. I'm gonna go get 2 trash bags for like trash, and then get another one for my Christmas lights, and then just start cleaning up, and then that's it. And then probably just vacuum the rest of my room because I need to vacuum it. Okay, so this one's gonna be, no, Walmart's gonna be for trash, and Albertsons is gonna be for my Christmas lights.
Juice, yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you.
This is Derek. He's my favorite. I named him Derek because I'm watching Grey's Anatomy. That's the end of my story. Okay, we're not gonna put my clothes away still, even though my mom tells me constantly to do it. I'm not gonna do it right now.
When I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when
I put all of my hair things on this, and I have very many, so Mom, if you're seeing this, if you ever need a hair thing, come and get it. Just don't tell the kids because they don't watch my videos.
might just waste away, don't know what life about.
So I'm picking out my outfit for my workout tomorrow morning, so I'm just gonna do that and put it over there with my towel. I'm fixing my monster cans because I messed them up.
Another day go by, don't know what got me down.
Just because I like it there. These 3 things aren't normally there. I'm just gonna take these out after. But I have this one strip of lights. Honestly, it's really bright, so I don't know if I need the other ones. My nightstand, my bed, which I really like, the books. And then this is my workout clothes and my towel for when I shower. This I need to. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's very blue in here. I love it. See you guys in my next video. I hope you guys liked it. It was kind of all over the place, but we won't talk about that, will we? Okay, so this is my room with it like clean. My bed's made and everything. LED lights. This is what I used at night. It was pretty dark. I brightened it up when I woke up, but. Okay, so I'm on my phone because I can't find the vlogging camera and my mom is filming. But I put my tapestries on the ceiling. This one is above my bed. This is what it looks like. Oh, I just hit my head so hard. This looks like, and this with them.
I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah. There's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues.